Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Defender for Office 365 anti-phishing policy setup, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Log in with your administrator account credentials. In the left navigation pane, select Security. From the Security dashboard, locate and click on Policies. In the Threat Policies section, click on Anti-phishing. You will see the existing anti-phishing policies listed here. To create a new policy, click on the Create button. You will be prompted to choose the type of anti-phishing policy you want to create. Select the standard option for a comprehensive setup. Click Next to proceed to the policy settings. Give your policy a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Optionally, enter a description to provide additional context. Under Users, specify the users or groups this policy will apply to. Click Next to move to the Settings configuration page. Here, configure the default protection settings against phishing. You can enable or disable settings such as impersonation protection and safety tips. Review the settings thoroughly before proceeding. Click Next to navigate to the Review and Finish page. On the Review page, double-check all the selections made. Once confirmed, click on Create to finalize your anti-phishing policy. Your new anti-phishing policy will now be listed in the Policies overview. To test the effectiveness, consider sending a test phishing email. Monitor the results to ensure that the policy is functioning as intended. Make adjustments to the policy settings if necessary based on the test results. Finally, schedule regular reviews of the policy to keep up with new threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.